As energy independence becomes increasingly important, more homeowners are turning to off-grid solar systems to break free from utility companies. These systems provide not only freedom but also a sustainable way to meet energy needs. Today, we'll explore a remarkable off-grid solar project in South Carolina, designed and implemented by Practical Preppers. Located in the serene landscape of South Carolina, this project was initiated with a clear goal: to achieve complete energy independence. Practical Preppers, renowned for their expertise in sustainable living, designed a robust and efficient off-grid system tailored to the homeowner's needs. Let's dive into the components that make this system both unique and powerful. At the heart of this setup is a 17 kilowatt solar array, harnessing the abundant sunlight available in the region. This solar power is managed by dual Solarc 12K inverters, known for their reliability and advanced technology. These inverters play a crucial role in converting solar energy into usable electricity while ensuring the system operates smoothly. Complementing the solar setup is a Cummins 20 kilowatts generator, which stands ready to provide backup power whenever necessary, ensuring that the household remains powered even during extended periods of low sunlight. Additionally, a small yet efficient battery bank is integrated into the system, offering short-term energy storage and further enhancing the system's reliability. One of the standout features of this setup is the automated generator start function. This smart technology monitors the energy levels and automatically activates the generator when needed, optimizing fuel usage and minimizing downtime. The inclusion of a battery bank, though modest in size, ensures that there's always a buffer of energy available, particularly during peak usage times. These features work in tandem to create a seamless and worry-free off-grid experience for the homeowner. Living off the grid comes with its own set of challenges, but this system is designed to overcome them. For instance, balancing energy production and consumption is crucial in an off-grid setup. The combination of solar power, reliable inverters, and a backup generator ensures that the household's energy needs are met consistently, regardless of weather conditions. Maintenance, while important, is streamlined thanks to the system's automated features and robust design, promising longevity and minimal intervention. In summary, this off-grid solar system in South Carolina exemplifies the best of what modern solar technology has to offer. With a focus on self-sufficiency, energy efficiency, and smart automation, it provides a reliable and sustainable solution for those looking to live independently from the grid. Whether you're considering a similar setup or just exploring your options, this project is a shining example of how off-grid living can be both practical and powerful.